Yo, what up, Warbucks? I mean, we crushed our money zone yesterday, but my worry is I'm going to get another NVIDIA call when I do TradeGPT. Kind of just, you know, doing my rounds, bro. Doing the rounds, Warbucks. How we feeling, bro? Yeah, it was Tesla. We did Tesla yesterday, and we did 34%. I'll show you guys. Hold on. All right. Yeah, so yesterday we had Tesla. Wait, when did we get Tesla, bro? When did I play Tesla? Wait a minute. What's going on here? Yeah. So I got the day off due to weather. What do you do for work? What do you do for work, bro? All right, we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook. So this was the Tesla trade, and we got out of SPY yesterday, but we cooked here. A little 1800. Not too angry about it. We figured it out. We figured it out. Mining heavy equipment operator. Okay. Damn, bro. Damn. What kind of like weather? Where are you at in the country? Where are you at in the country? We're gonna start cooking here in like 2 minutes. Wisconsin. I love Milwaukee, actually. Weirdly. I fucking love Milwaukee, bro. My guy, my N, my zebra, Brandon Sutt, the fucking boys. We got the boys in here tonight. Let's crush. We're gonna get after it. This is old news trade. We closed out of the Spizzard yesterday at like with a $100 profit. My woman is there today. In Milwaukee. That's what's up. That's what's up. Wifey's in Milwaukee. Gotta love it. And let's make some fucking money, bro. Let's make some fucking money, bro. How's that sound? Let's get after it. Let's get after it. Let's get active. Magic, how'd you end up doing on SPY yesterday? You stayed in the longer than me. Anyway, I'm using TradeGPT right now. I'm asking TradeGPT for an in-the-money options trade to make right now. I'm asking TradeGPT for the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the one contract that will blow my back out and make me Jensen Huang's slave. Look. Here we go. I knew it would be a Jensen Huang slavery fucking propaganda trade. Here we go. Nvidia bullish 180 strike at the 20th of March expiration. Let's see where this stock is at right now, man. I don't know, 1 minute. Before we go and throw 10 G's at a fucking Nvidia trade, bro. Where is the, like, what's the deal? What is the deal? There's no motion. There hasn't been motion on this stock for the last hour, bro. I don't want to do this again, man. I don't want to do this shit where I just fucking go in on some like stagnant ass shit. But I'll do it. I'm going to trust TradeGPT because that's how I play ball. But like, brother, what are we doing, man? It gets to a point where it's like we're at a 186 after a $10 move on the underlying. So we're going to see what happens. Let's go Nvidia. Gonna do one foot in front of the other, guys. Nvidia 180 20th of March and 950 a contract. 20th of March 950 at the 180 strike. Yeah. literally filling right at 950. If I do 5, 10 contracts, it's 9,500. I'm just gonna start the morning like that. Just gonna start it like that. We got our shit going. This is my entry. The trade hasn't moved like at all. So, well, I mean, I just placed it. So I don't even know if I'm doing anything yet. Hey, yo. Took a soft trade yesterday from TradeGPT. Not looking good. Was messing with the prompts. Yeah, bro. I mean, I would say the time you use TradeGPT absolutely matters. But it's, I mean, like I said, I still take losers even when I do my ironclad strategy. Here's my fill. 180, 20th of March, filled 10 contracts at $9.50 today, March 11th, 2026 at 11:08, so less than a minute ago. And we have 950 entry, so we literally did exactly what TradeGPT told us to do. I just placed this right now, so we're gonna go back to Nvidia, draw some linears on the chart. I'm looking for a 187.50 Nvidia here. I don't really care what TradeGPT tells me. I'm not looking like I'm not gonna fucking pull my hair out on this one, boys. In the 185. 184, 185 flat, but we're gonna move this up 2 cents for our exit. Yep. No, this is our stop loss. I'll change the color of the, and then we entered at 11. We entered at 11:08:49. So like right at the beginning of 11:49. I'm just gonna call it 11:08 here. This candle. And then we're going to do orange for this line because this is our entry. Make it real easy. If it's above the orange line, we're having fun. If it's below the orange line, I'm on the 3rd floor of this building here, and I'm sure it would be a nice, fun ride down. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, let's lock. This is my entry. And this is my profit. Here we go. Now we're having fun. Hey, yo, what's good? What's good? Good maxing. Look at this, just like the stock starts moving as soon as I get in the opposite direction. Probably down like 2%. Let me reveal. Yeah, I'm down 3. Starting to get good at guessing how much I'm losing. Starting to get really, really, really talented at that. Let's lock. Come on. When's your expiration for Sava, brother? Everyone buy. Plastic sinks. What are we buying? I'm down 3%. We both goon maxing our end? Yeah, we're both goon maxing. Or you and George are both goon maxing. And then let me like goon max with you guys, ideally. So me one for my. Wow. This is looking insane. As soon as I got into a call, this happens. As the moment I get in. What is this like? Hopefully it's just a sweep. But like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's a sweep. It was a sweep. It was a sweep. It was just a little sweepski. It was a little sweep. Make it clap. Okay. We make it clap at the end. My gold play tanked since the chair spoke. Brother, I don't even know. Like, at this point, bro, like, yeah, like, anyone can fucking speak. We could have fucking Lead Loader give a fucking market announcement and something's going to happen. That's how emotional this goddamn market is. Liquidity. Liquidity sweep. That's my guy right there. My guy Bass Kick Beats. Bass Kick Beats. Little liquidity sweep right here. Huh? Come on, guys. Come on. Little sweepy boy. It's a little sweep. Nothing too crazy. We'll be here to 4 p.m. Hey, man. Be a little bit optimistic. All right? Be a little bit optimistic for your boy. I put 10 G's on this. All I need is 10%. 182.50 or 187.50 underlying on Nvidia. That's all I need. Yeah, man. It was a little liquidity sweep. We're good. Okay, think about it like this. I need this line to go over the orange line for me to start making money, and then once it hits my blue line, I make $1,000. Adderall sips right here. This is what you mean? What if this shit has something in it that isn't Adderall? This has something in it that'll make you forget the English language, my boy. Have enough of those, and you start speaking in tongues. I'm not even kidding. And then pop one of these. These are like legal perks. Get super fucked up off of Celsius, and then take one of these because you think it's gonna calm you down, and then you're just nonverbal. But yeah, that's the vibe, bro. My P&L is in the green for the year. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Hey, guys, the trading, the adjustments we made to the trading bot actually worked. Weirdly. It's really weird when AI starts doing what it's supposed to fucking do. It's really fucking weird when AI starts doing what it's supposed to do. It makes you kind of uncomfortable, to be honest. Don't let them talk you into push-ups. What up, Big DL? My guy, my Lego man. Legal crossfade. Don't let them talk you into push-ups today? Why, bro? My push-up form is gas pack. You guys could learn a thing or two. Watching me do push-ups. Bro, my guy. What up, Jesus? Chris? Hi, I want to know what you think about Solana now. I don't really have any thoughts on like short-term crypto plays. You don't even make 400 and you still ended last stream. Yeah, I know. I was fraud maxing. I lied when I said I was gonna end stream to make 1,000. Bro, it's like I made 400, bro. Guys, so high on life. Thank you, Pack Yak Swag. Yeah, so you guys can track all the versions of the trading bot we built. So like you guys, on the how it works page is really fire because now you have an adjustments history on the bot itself. So anyone who's planning on copying my stack on building this bot, you now get to see any changes it's made. So I can export versions for you guys. I can export the latest version. Not that it's like final finish. I'm thinking we're gonna get to probably V 4.5 before we see something like really. I think we're like about 2 or 3 weeks of adjustments and backtesting and data worth away from having something legitly insane. But like you can see, like it did some weird shit yesterday. It permanently blocked AMD. Like I don't know why it did that. We've made 50 grand off AMD in the last couple months. How much money did you make from trying to trade? How much money did you make trying to troll haters so far? I've made $2 quintillion. I checked this morning. It just passed $2 quintillion. Dude. I swear the stock starts getting motion as soon as I enter a position, man. Johnny9. My guy. Yo, drop a like on the stream, boys. Drop a little like on the stream. We just started. So, I get it. But drop a little like ski for your boy. Even if you think I'm a fucking scammer troll, bro. Even if you think I'm scamming and trolling and this is just one big method to harvest you guys, just drop a little like just to show your boy a little bit of love, bro. Oh, thank you. Maybe it's the watchers. How many likes to end stream? Love these bot comments, they go hard. Marking your kidneys with those big energy drinks? No, that's why I take a Percocet after I drink them. So after I drink the energy drinks, I take a perk. So I'm not hurting my liver as much. It chills you out. So your liver's not working as hard. You know what I mean? Lower the heart rate a little bit, Mr. Valdez. How's that sound? Does that sound awesome or what? But yeah, I mean, nice, fire, honestly. Drug addict, yeah, keep it coming. Love those comments. What kind of fake hockey puck is that? We play real hockey in Uzbekistan. What gym shoes in the daytime playing in Sand Beach? Only tracksuit, real haircut in Uzbekistan. No longer we childish later. 2 to 3 years in Uzbekistan. You're a tweaker. Thank you, brother. Pill popping hoe. Thank you, brother. How much money do you usually buy in with? I put in 10 G's on this trade. Thank you, my South African friend. What up, baby boy? Baby boy. My guy, what's good? We'll do like 5 to 10 G's a trade. I haven't been really disciplined. 5 to 10 a trade. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I appreciate you, regardless. South African, thank you, brother. Stop the drugs. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. thank you, bro. It's a smooth ride. Smooth ride when I got guys like you in my corner giving me life advice. Look, peace out, brother. Let's go, Uzbekistan. Let's go. Just one. Let's get a shout out for Ukraine. What else am I on? Bro, you name it. You just start naming drugs, and I'll just say I'm on anyone you name. That's how cool that. Yeah, that's how chill it is. Killing time. Yeah, 10 G's, 5 to 10 G's a trade, bro. 5 to 10 G's a trade. Killing time. Let's get a shout out for Ukraine. Yo, I made a food review video about Ukraine, and here's the thing, bro. There's so much, like, we can't make food review videos in New York without people thinking we're copying somebody else. What flavor was it? That was mango lemonade. An absolute gem, slept-on flavor. Start the drugs, you're not high enough. More Adderall. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you. I'll step off screen really quick. And come back and be, like, blowing my nose. Is that what you guys want? Dude, not even having AI classes, not doing afternoon stream. Bro, they've got me on, like, I'm on demon time right now outside of stream. Like, I'm working on so much shit. It's like, it's really good. But ever since, like, open clock came into my life, I've expanded my scope of work a millionfold. I've expanded my scope of work a millionfold. Relax. Yo, if you want, we can swap them. So if you want that one, Take a nap. Thank you, brother. Ukraine are solid people. Yeah, shout out to Ukraine. I don't know, bro. Yeah, I guess fucking shout out to Ukraine. I got you, bro. I love you. Yeah, Ukrainian food is great. I just had some borscht on Saturday, actually. Speaking of Ukrainian Russian food, I had some great borscht with a whole bunch of sour cream, and I had some like white bread, like some just untoasted white bread. Thank you, Adrian Sanchez. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, Adrian. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Yeah, they're fighting for real purpose, fuck Russia. Hey, look, I don't know. I'm not gonna like get into politics on stream though, brother. I don't know what's going on, so I can't speak on it. Yo, what up, Abraham? Here we go. Hey guys, remember anything, when this green candle goes past this orange line, I start making money, and once it hits this line, I make $1,000. Bro's been live for 3 days, can't hit that 1K. It's been 3 years, brother. It's been 3 years. I haven't even showered. I'm doing like a fucking Kai Cenat level, Mafia-thon level stream, and it's it's just me most of the time. Can't wait till somebody hits us and you get drafted. Pack Yak Swag, brother. I am like, I don't know where the animosity's coming from, bro. I've done it, I've given the shout outs you asked for, and I've I've given that the attention. But yeah, don't wish that I would be drafted, bro. That's nonsense. You know what I mean? Let your boy just fucking. I don't even like war. You know, I like White Monster and like watermelon flavored vodka and like girls with pretty feet. I don't want to fucking go to war. And I like, restaurants that have like bottled water instead of tap water. I don't like it. I don't want to, do the war thing, bro. You can't get drafted. How would you prefer meth or coke? How do you pick your plays each day? I use TradeGPT. I hardly recognize you in the black shirt. I usually wear a white shirt, yeah. I usually wear white or black. How do I pick my plays each day? I use a language model AI that scans through stock market data instead of the internet. So it's not ChatGPT, it's not Grok. I use a language model that scans through real-time stock market data. He's just like me for real. War will have lots of White Monster. He's just. Jade is just. I love how we reached a new support level just directly underneath my entry. It just shows you they're watching me. They're watching me. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense, man. I can't be, I don't want to be used as liquidity anymore. Do they allow Asperger's in the military? No, when I was geeked, bro, and I was a senior in high school, I literally had a 0.5 GPA, bro. I was in, special ed classes and all that shit back in high school. And my mom was like, you need to, do something with your life because my two siblings both graduated, and my brother went and served a Mormon mission. He had already been accepted into BYU, and my little sister was a fucking model student, and so she was gonna fucking go to some fucking college. And we were only 1 year apart, so we're all really close in age. So my brother was set, my little sister was set, and then I was this fuck up who was I was the only person in my family doing drugs and smoking weed, and my mom was tweaking, bro. She was dating this dude who kept telling her I needed to go and to be institutionalized somewhere. So my mom was like, you need to go to talk to an army recruiter and join the Navy. And I was like, all right, bet. So I fucking pull up I pull up to the Army recruiting office. This is when I was 19, 18. No, I couldn't have been 19. I had to be 17 or 18 because I remember I was still a senior in high school. And I get to the military office, and they're talking to me, da-da-da-da-da. And, bro, those motherfuckers are convincing. They make it seem like you're going to go play for the NFL the way they're hooking you up with shit. But eventually it gets to a point where I'm filling out this form, and they ask me what medications I take. And so I just was honest. I was like, I take Ritalin. Ritalin's basically like Adderall. And this is back in high school. I don't take Ritalin anymore. I don't take anything anymore. Like, you know, as crazy as it is for some of you, I don't take any drugs. But I used to take Ritalin, and I put that down, and the Army recruiter's like, yeah, you got to refill this out. And basically the Army recruiter was like, just next time I'm going to give you another sheet, fill it out, but just don't say you take Ritalin because we can't let you into the Army if you take Ritalin. I immediately was like, oh, shit, I guess I can't be in the Army. Left, went back home, and told my mom I couldn't do the Army because of the Ritalin thing. I don't lose 5 to 10K a day killing time. Don't Mormons just set you up with a good job in the community? Yeah, some of them. Yeah, you would have ended up getting shipped out to Iran as cannons fodder. I don't lose 5 to 10K a day, bro. What are you guys talking about? Am I from Utah? That's the worst advice ever. You've tried to join but failed the ASVAB. I never even took the ASVAB. I never even got to that point. I bet you, though, I would score highly on the ASVAB. It's a crazy story. I mean, it's not that crazy. But, oh, fuck, I got stopped out. God fucking damn it, man. Bro. All right, I got stopped out at 10%. 11%. This is where my trade ended. Lost 1,100, bro. What the fuck? Bro. I'm out. The trade is closed. God damn it. That's a loss on the ledger, bro. That was quick. Nice and clean. Just like yesterday. We stung it quick. We got some money quick. Today we lost $1,000 quick, bro. I'm fucking glad I don't sell a course, man. Yeah, I just hit stop loss. Yeah, I got stopped out. Show P&L over the last 3 months. Marine Corps was the best shit ever did. Set me up for a great future. I bet it did, bro. I bet the Marine Corps did set you up for a great future. Yeah, we're out, bro. We just lost. Dude, god damn it, man. And then watch what happens right here. It's gonna go up and it's gonna pass my entry and it's gonna hit my take profit. It's only, bro, I was only asking for 187. Recession incoming. Yeah. Yeah, recession coming. Yeah, brother. Brother. When you see guys as cracked as me making as much money as I do in the market, you know that there's something going on. Keep it coming, South Africa. No, come on, let me hear it. If you guys just watch me lose and you're happy about it, keep it going. If you guys are happy about me losing $1,000, let's hear it. You know what I mean? At least I have a fucking $1,000 to lose. No more drug money. Come on, what else? And go up. It won't go up in my opinion. Not today. Oh, yeah, I mean, you guys, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. I'm out though. It doesn't even matter. Wow, dude. Wow. That was quick. That's why I don't trade chop. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Come on. What else? How bad? Tell me how shit of a trader I am. He's drug free. Crazy ego. Daily Gambo. Come on. This trade zero. Come on. I'm up. I'm trading. I'm up 3K already. 5 minutes about to. Yeah. Let me hear how bad of a trader I am. You guys just watched me lose $1,000. Unload. This is your chance. You suck, so stop trading. Jarvis, more alcohol. Come on. Come on, guys. Don't stop there. I might even fuck around and re-enter Nvidia. Give you guys more of a reason to laugh. You showing us how bad you are. Good thing I don't sell a course. Am I late to the party? You're gay. Join for the hate. Come on. If you guys are joining for the hate, then hate. I saw $1 million in that portfolio. Nice, dude. The $1 million you saw is on the trading bot, which is paper money. So you're peeling up P&L for the year. Come on. All of my shit is public. He doesn't have any money. Revenge trade. Yeah, should we do a revenge trade? All of my shit is public, bro. Show your dick. Okay. Dude, go long for a 1-to-1. Oh, my God, bro. I hit my stop loss so fast, bro. If I was in your shoes, I would be staying out of the market until Iran shit comes down. Trump is pedophile. You know Steven Ducks. Don't revenge trade. Yo, do another one. No, I put 10 bands on this and I lost 10%. God damn, man. And then it bounces right off my stop loss. Like, bro has a point. At least he's not selling courses. Yeah, at least I have nothing to sell you guys. You guys just have to come in and cast your opinions on me. These guys always do this stuff in simulations. Fuck the haters. People mad they have nothing to trade. Appreciate that, brother. Take the long. We go long. This was a March 20th expiration, bro. I mean, like, I was literally just looking for a 187 Nvidia. Can you tell me, cousin Lou? Loose asshole? Loose asshole? Happy birthday? Yeah, happy birthday, brother. What up? Yeah, guys. I mean, that's just the way the cookie crumbles some days, man. And then bounces right off my stop loss. I could have probably DCA'd in. Better use of your money. That's why you don't set stop loss. Just retard max year-to-date earnings. I spent $2,000 on Pokemon. Did you unbox them, or are you just holding the packs? Nvidia is a bad investment at this point. I think it's peaking and the AI bubble pops soon. Oh, man. Dude, I mean, what? Do we do another trade? Understand 100%. What about BTMWW? What is that? What is BTMWW? Dude, I want to throw up. How's that? I want to throw up. This was just one of those trades, man. I had my stop loss tickled too, brother. Say, but my income in my ass. Say, but my income come in my ass. What is it? Say, but my income back. Say, Nvidia about to fall back down. Bitcoin depot warrant options. Do another 1K. Come on. I don't think you guys like understand like. Why do you look at the charts? I don't look at charts though. I don't know enough about trading. All right, I'm gonna do another trade. I'm gonna do another trade. All right, I'm gonna choose one of these prompts right here. Let's do You guys are looking at my trading process? Like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Now look. Lock in with me for a second. Let me show you what I'm about to do. Lock in with me for 1 second. Okay, watch what I'm about to do. I'm going to take this prompt right here, this intraday momentum trade. This is prompt number 4. This prompt is printed for us, man. I think we've made at least 50 G's with this fucking prompt on stream. So I'm going to put this in. Actually, I'm gonna forget about this. I'm gonna open up a new page on TradeGPT, and I'm gonna put in identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum and but my income, searching until you find a specific basic options trade that matches this criteria. Only give me the information I am looking for. Provide the strike price, expiration date, entry price, and specific instructions for exit and stop loss in this high potential trade. Yep. Yeah, I know. I know what you guys are thinking. It's not ChatGPT. It's not Grok. It's not any major language model. It's a language model that scans through real-time stock market data. Bro, this can't be your process for real. It is. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is literally my process. It's not ChatGPT. I'm going to show you guys. I'm not like, bro, let me cook. I promise you. Let me cook. Everyone has the same reaction when they see this until they realize this isn't your everyday language model. It's trade. No, it's not. Yeah, it's not ChatGPT. Guys, it's TradeGPT. It's Gaspack. And I honestly shouldn't even be telling you guys the name of it. All right? Because it should be a secret, and you fucks who say it's a bad strategy shouldn't even have to worry about what I'm doing over here. All right, I'm going to show you guys what's up right now, man. Let's cook. Okay, so what do we got? Oracle. I'm not even going to look at the chart. That's how much faith I have in this AI. Oracle 160. These are $9.10 a contract, bro. Oh, my God. All right, man. 160, 20th of March. Brother, man. 160. These are $8 and, yeah, $9.10, bro. I'm probably going to fill hopefully less. If I do 5, 4, 3. I'm doing 2 contracts, but I'm not putting more than $2,000 on this shit. After a $1,000 loss, blame me. Call me. They say I'm a pussy for not wanting to do 10 grand on another trade back to back, bro. I did 2 G's. I need 50% to make $1,000. Now it's like, you know, we're kind of riding that line between like degeneracy and like desperation and like competence. You know what I mean? I can tell when my heart starts doing palpitations. So we're locked. We're in 160, 20th of March, $9.10 a contract. Bought 2 contracts for $8.85. We just filled this. So it would be right for us to just go and watch the Oracle 1-minute chart. Wow. Think long term. If this L's come back tomorrow, fam. This is actually. It could be as simple as this. He's doing high risk, high reward ravioli. You shouldn't do this anymore. Bro, I've been doing this since August, and we've made a fuckload of money doing it. Oh my God, look at this Oracle chart, bro. All right. We don't need much, bro. All right. Yeah. All right, when did we enter? Our entry was, we just did this. So this was today at 11:39. We filled a buy on this. So 11:39. Let's go to 11:39 on the chart. Orange. Entry. Okay, the reason we entered here is this is what the candle closed at 11:39. That's when we entered. I don't know enough about this shit to tell you any different, my boy. I'm sorry. So that's where we entered, and then I'm going to prove it to you guys. I'm making money on this trade right now. And then our take profit, we're at 164. Let's just shoot for $2. Let's just shoot for $2. I'm not going to go back and look at but this is our money zone. And then I'm going to set a stop loss on my brokerage right now. Yeah, it's crazy, LMAO. He just lost 1K in 5 minutes. I did. But let me show. Watch me cook now, bro. This is what revenge trading is all about. While reading chat, we're gonna do this, man. I'm coming back. I'm coming back for it all. I'm coming back for $1 trillion on this one position. What is the plan if you don't trade or don't know anything about trading? You're just doing it to do it. No, I'm doing it to prove that somebody who doesn't know anything about trading can still make money by using AI. You guys, this is your first stream watching me. I did take an L, but we usually cook, bro. We usually cook. All right? Hey, I'm from India, man. I like your energy. Thank you, brother. I like your energy too, man. I'm up $10 on Oracle. Come on, guys. I told you that I was going to retire from this trade. And I told you all to use AI to trade, and no one listened. And now, look, I'm $10 richer at an 885 entry, baby. The road to the W's is paved with L's. Yes, bro. It takes 2 L's to make a W. I have stage 4 ligma. Yo. Thank you for the $2, bro. Thank you for the $2, champ. Rest up. Thanks for the $2, champ. Go rest up. Thanks for the $2, champ. Go take a lap. Go get some sunlight, brother. Thank you for the $2. Go take a lap, big dog. Host has ligma too. What are you talking about? I'm up $16. Oh, well, that's true. Yeah, realized gains. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I have nothing in unrealized. Actually, I have a $1,000 loss in realized losses. Saying girl power for 300 joules. Yo, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, Ravioli, I'm telling you right now, watch me cook, bro. Watch me cook, bro. Watch me cook. Sometimes all it takes is a little bit of delusion. All right, we're losing money now. We're losing money. I'm down $40. I'm down $40. If you guys it's your first time watching my stream, I promise you that it usually doesn't go like this. And there's a reason I've been able to do this every single day. Right? This isn't sustainable. If I was losing like this, it wouldn't be sustainable. Thank you, Larry Shulker. You get to witness. It's a retest. It's a retest. Say a prayer, then trade. Say a prayer. And then just let it rip. Oy vey, Shabbat Shalom. Comrades, have we eaten our daily foreskins? What's up, brother? Just blow the candle up. Yeah, I might just fucking make a phone call to Jensen Huang. You don't even look at catalyst for getting trade. Yeah, I don't know what a catalyst is, bro. I don't know what a catalyst is. I know how to invest in companies that are going to change the future, and I know how to buy options contracts on a brokerage. I don't know really much else. And I know how to prompt AI. Can it, like, stop canceling the trade? You are losing it. Can like, stop it. Can, like, stop it canceling the trade? You are losing it. I'm a bad omen. No, you're not. Show that TradeGPT. Wear a small hat and your luck might change. Bro, that's actually genius. That's actually genius. Honestly, I might have to go big hat. I might have to just start stepping like this. This right here is Johnny 9. This is Steven Davis. This is Zebra Defender, and this is me. I'm going to start pulling up like this. Maybe my trades will do better. Did you quit your job to do this? No. Why do options at all? 1,000%. I like leaps. We got this, bro. Let me show you guys how to revenge trade. I'm going to teach you guys how to revenge trade. Let me teach you guys how to go full tilt and let your emotions get the best of you. That's going to be what the course is on. The course that I sell for $50,000 is going to be about, like, full tilting and, like, what drugs to take once you start losing money. What do I have a position on? Can you show your stop loss and target? I don't have it. I haven't drawn my stop loss out on the chart yet. My stop loss is 162 underlying on Oracle, and then I'm shooting for a 166 underlying. And then I'm in a 160 call for the 20th of March. Trade with emotions. Do you trade for a living? Nah. Kind of. Kind of yes, kind of no. I do a couple of different things for a living. I mainly been working close with marketing. No, we're gonna have a stop loss. Johnny, I'm gonna manually set that. I haven't done that. I just kind of shilled myself into the position. What drugs to take in succession to win off the misery of blowing life savings on a course? Yeah, exactly. That's gonna be like the first page. Hold up. Oh my God, bro. What a day, man. Just not doing what I wanted to do. Yesterday was so clean. It was so clean. What did you spit in that napkin? It was just spit. It was just spit. Like it cleared my throat. I wish it was a Zin. I would kill for a Zin right now. You got a Zin, bro? Can you pull up to me in Soho, Manhattan? I'm right here in Manhattan, New York. Come and bring me a Zin. How old am I? 26. All right, man. What's going on? What's the deal? So kind of, do I smoke weed? I used to. I'm not gonna like lie to you guys. I even told you guys this. I did CBD gummies on the flight back to Vegas in October, and it had THC in it. It was a 2-to-1. So 2 parts CBD, 1 part weed, and I was geeked. Or Copenhagen long cut, smoke a cigarette like a real man. No, you're right. I should. Bro, they literally call these things fucking geek bars. Like, bro, a geek plus? Like, bro, buying something that says geek plus is insane. I'm a grown man. How much money is in my trading account right now? A few inches above 300K. A few smudgeons. And then I have a fucking, like, a bunch of joke accounts. We have, like, $1,000 play account on Moomoo. We have a bunch of paper trading accounts, like, that we just test strategies on and bots and stuff. Take a good look, kids. This is how you lose in life. Are you talking about me? Dude, like, why? Who does that? Who joins a stream and their first words are, take a good look, kids. This is how you lose in life. What the fuck? I'm sorry that I am just being myself, man. Like, holy fuck. I'm using TradeGPT. It's a language model that TradeAlgo built. It just uses TradeAlgo's data. Like, bro, I don't even promote anything to the kids. Nigerian Prince. Yeah, I got you, bro. Yeah, absolutely. Is he wrong, though? I don't sell anything. You guys are all here by your own choice. I have nothing to, like, prove to anybody. I'm just a guy, man. Like, I enjoy trading and technology. I look like I stink. Come on. You know what? Just let me have it. Let me have it. Tell the kids how bad of a fucking person I am. Let's lock in, though. I'm up $56. Let's go, baby. Come on. Show my weekly gain. Wait, hold on. I'm locked in right now. Oracle, we're up 3%, baby. This is life. $56 is life-changing money. Am I Jewish? No. Well, actually, I don't want to announce if I'm Jewish or not on the media because I don't want to be, I don't want to be considered, like, media goyim. So I'm going to, like, keep the line if I'm Jewish or not, like, kind of low-key, because I'm not. Low-key, guys, I'm not. But if they find out that I'm not, I don't want to be, like, cattle. You know what I mean? I don't know how it works. I've got a lot of homies who are schizophrenic as hell. And they just tell me not to talk about that kind of stuff. I'm up $110, guys. Please hand me my fucking crown as the greatest trader of all time. I don't really, like, here we go. Guys, come on. What are we talking about? Who told me this was a bad idea to revenge trade? I'm only up $100. Coke is a hell of a drug. Yeah, it is. You can't partially be a Jew. Wow. Yeah, TN Crypto. That was like arguably one of the best jokes I've ever heard. You look 150% Mormon. Well, I used to be Mormon. That is a fact. I used to be Mormon. I used to be a Boy Scout, bro. I'm an Eagle Scout. You guys can look me up in the fucking Eagle Scout database, and I will be in there. That's right hand of God. Daily reminder. Hey, man, look. HH 42089. Like, it's all good, bro. You're good. I guarantee there's lives where the host will like bite into that and then fucking run with it. But like I just don't know anything about anything. He's done a mission. I have not done a mission. I have not done a mission, and I don't think Jews hate anybody. You have? I have a Discord. Yeah, I got a Discord. Yeah, we're trading Oracle. Rinse and repeat. Can you just like add a little bit more context to what I would be rinsing and repeat? One left, keep it up. Yeah, exactly, brother. If you guys want my Discord, you guys go here to my channel. Whoa. Go to my channel right here. Go to my channel and it's right here. Go to my channel. And this is a what ravioli? Go to my posts on my channel. You guys know brother, you guys don't know about that? This was an insane fight. Damn, it's gone. It was when Guevara fought fucking Biscuit Oliva. If you guys don't know about it, I'm not gonna get into it, but that's like there's things to be learned from Baki fights that you guys don't understand. Guys, my Oracle trade's crushing. Suck me, man. How's that? Anyway, I'm up 10% on this. If I would have done my $10,000 trade size, it would have been $1,000, which really makes me feel like a fucking weirdo. Yo, so who is hating on my trading strategy? Line up. I want to know who is hating on my fucking trading strategy, bro. Start talking if you were fucking hating on my trading style. Oh, Larry Shulker. Now, Larry, you trade too much for me to try to go, like, knowledge for knowledge with you. Yeah. Hey, no, yeah, I was just kidding about that. Bro's just yapping out of his ass with a 50% success rate. It's crazy. I'm 21, broke as fuck. Just wait for a lane. Would you recommend trading for a method to change some life around? Yeah, you're right. Hey, you're right. But this is what we keep going with it. At Dennis, how much money? Yeah, Dennis, there's some people in the chat who want to help you out. I'm sure that there's some Cash App methods you could try. If you're 21, bro, every time you sell an ounce of weed, I'd put $50 into the stock market. Every time you sell an ounce of weed, I'd put $50 into the stock market. What's an ounce OZ going for these days? $1.60? Right, I don't know how much. I don't know if the quality is good, but what is it, like $1.60? pick up a O. Some like mid-tier shelf shit. This is gambling. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Do a different trade, or I don't want to do a different trade. Yeah, my bad, John. I forgot about the J-word. Dude selling grams. He's not even selling ounces. I mean, if you're selling grams, I put $3. 30% of everything you make in the market. 150 and I sold 20. Yeah, okay. Also a great idea to talk about tech of business online. Look, 150 to 30%, $50. $50 every time you sell an ounce of weed and put it into the stock market. And don't trade options. Don't get aggressive. Buy Apple, buy Amazon, buy Google, something like that, bro. Right? That's how you start. You don't start by gambling options. You start by buying companies that you think are going to be around in the future. Right? Amazon. So obvious they're going to be around forever. Oh, what is this song? What is this song? I'm Dennis Underwood, and I'm so weak. Money won't bring you happiness. I know it won't. I know it won't. This $190 I'm sitting on hasn't brought me any happiness. I can promise you that. It's falling. Yeah, it's falling. We're good, though. It's going down. Yeah, I know. I can see that. Thank you, guys. I can see that it's going down. I can actually see that. I'm more than at break even. Yeah, I could move my stop loss to break even. I probably should. I'll do that. I'll move my stop loss to break even. Nah, because it might go down more before it goes back up. What do you think, Larry Shulker? Can you affirm that that's a good idea? Kind of shrug that one off. What do you think, man? You think I'm locked and loaded here for a 186 Oracle? I think it's going down in case you didn't notice. Is it going? It looks like it's going up now, though. Yeah, we're good, bro. AKA break even, maintain $998 in the day. Dude, yeah, ravioli, brother. I'm not hiding that. Fact. That's all like obvious shit. I love your support, bro. Fuck these other people in the chat, LMAO. I'm waiting for BTC to drop, and I'm going to sink another 120K into it. Where are rocket boosters? That we just witnessed some rocket boosters. There are some rocket boosters right here. Dude, I've been cooking with one XOM position that I placed using TradeGPT on January 5th for a 2027 expiration. Okay. I'm not really looking. No, I'm not looking for a video editor. Of course, he gives the pothead advice. Oh my God. I don't even, I can't do anything. I can't do anything. What do you want me to, what advice were you looking for, bro? I was already at 200% for a minute, John. J9. Snore. Snore. What's wrong with potheads? I need to know how to stop using drugs. Apparently, you're clean. Bro, if you're going to stop doing drugs, you need a reason to stop doing them. right? I literally moved to New York and I had to stop doing drugs because New York was too loud. Like physically, the city itself was too loud. I would be outside tweaking and a fucking taxi would lay on its horn and I would I'm not even kidding, my heart rate would go to like above 150. And I would be just standing there outside with my friends, like on a sunny, happy day. It was just too fucking loud. So I was like, you know what? I'm probably gonna chill out. Go to rehab. But I've said this a bunch of times. It's just New York is so much more stimulating. I came from like the suburbs of Las Vegas. I had a car, I had a house, I had a very collected and quiet life, and then I moved into the middle of Manhattan. I didn't move to the East Village. I didn't move to Hudson Yards where it's quiet. I moved to 36th Street in Manhattan, and I am 1 block away from the Empire State Building. Shit is different, bro. It's completely, and the only thing it takes it out on is your nervous system. Your nervous system is just heightened and your brain stays the same, but you don't understand why you have so much anxiety because you're fucking so stimulated all the time. 150 BPM is very high. 150 BPM is very high. Guys, on average, we're like 75 beats a minute. I'm on average 75 to 55 beats a minute. Right? To have your heart rate double from the sound of a fucking horn. What time do you do work to afford that? Larry, I specialize in artificial intelligence systems and marketing. I specialize in AI systems and marketing. One second, I'm just plugging my speaker in. Thank God I'm much better at that than I am trading, Larry. So it's not a terrible life that I live. But I have to work very hard. I have to work very hard to afford a place in 36th Street, Manhattan. I use downers. This guy's cracked. 150. It's like hard running. You have a job outside? Yeah, guys. Yeah. I'm like 2 streets away from downtown. I'm in Koreatown, Manhattan. Very grateful. You think trading's a scam or legit? I don't sell a course, right? So if you lose trading without selling a course, you got scammed by yourself, which absolutely still happens. It's a really fucked thing, man. A scam. Do I think trading is a scam? I think investing is not a scam. I think day trading with high risk, you can get fucked, but I don't think it's a scam. Bro, what is going on with my speaker? Because it's a screenshot, bro. It's a screenshot. The P&L is a screenshot. I just take the screenshot from my brokerage on my phone. Come over here, but yeah, pull up, bro. I'll go with you. We'll both buy them. Yeah, I mean, my viewers, so you guys have watched me make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing the same exact strategy every single day. I don't really change it up, man. I mean, that's one thing that I can say is I'm very consistent. I do the same exact thing yesterday. I made $6 grand last week on BATL. Good shit, brother. Good shit. High risk, high reward. It's not as risky as you guys would think, though. I'm grinding out some Minecraft currently. Brother, where's the invite? Where's the invite? Is sugar your drug of choice now? No, my drug of choice is caffeine. TradeGPT is owned by a Tel Aviv company. Larry, brother, I'm gonna. You're probably much older and much smarter than me, or not even older, but you definitely seem like you're much smarter than me. But I will help you with this, my friend, because you do happen to be mistaken. TradeGPT is not owned by a Tel Aviv company. Guys, TradeGPT is owned by TradeAlgo, which was founded in the United States in Los Angeles. Okay? Google TradeAlgo. Think about like OpenAI has ChatGPT. TradeAlgo has TradeGPT. That's their language model for all of the data they manage in the stock market, right? You find TradeGPT by just searching up TradeAlgo and clicking on it. But here's the problem. Here's what Larry probably did, which is completely fine and understandable, and I didn't clarify this, so that is my fault. But if I search up TradeGPT on Google, look what comes up. TradeGPT is a ChatGPT plugin. This is not the TradeGPT I use. I don't use any OpenAI product for my trading. I use TradeAlgo's product. Okay? What is TradeGPT? This is another TradeGPT. It's not trademarked, so you're going to have a bunch of apps come up. What is the real TradeGPT, and how do you find the real TradeGPT? The easiest way to do it is just to go to the source and type in TradeAlgo and click this, and then TradeGPT is right here. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, my guy? That's all I get. That's what it is. If it was owned by a Tel Aviv company, and TradeGPT literally just gave you insider information every time, I still would fucking abuse the shit out of it, though. The United States is controlled by Israel, too, so that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, okay, I guess, Hardy. Yeah, you're right. But no, I absolutely understandable. That's like the weird part about doing streams, because I'm not really marketing TradeGPT when I do these, so I don't necessarily feel I have to be super clear about what AI I use. I think it's more about the trading and like just like the stream slop that we can generate from trading using streaming stuff or trading on stream. Man, I've been looking for someone legit. LOL. Yeah, just follow AI trades. If you're real ball knower, you know about MIT and Epstein. Yeah, fuck, dude. I don't know. I don't know anything about that, so I don't know how to respond to that, if that makes sense. I don't know anything about what you just said, so I don't know how to respond to what you just said. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know it about like the MIT Epstein thing, so I don't know how to respond to that. But GG's, brother, what the fuck just happened, man? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck is this, bro? Is this a sweep? Just tell me this is a fucking sweep, dude. F's in the chat, bro. Drop F's to pay respects to my entire position, man. You guys see how that happened in one candle? And you guys see what's continuing to happen right now? So fucking crazy, bro. So fucking Yeah, I got rug pulled by fucking Jensen Huang or Larry Page. F's, bro. F's, bro. Just F it up in the... Yeah, it's a sweep. It was a sweep. We're good. It's just our entry. We didn't hit a stop loss or anything. Bro got rug... Yeah, I literally got rug pulled. This is a fucking $1 trillion stock, Oracle. Why put entry on a support so it's easier for me to track? If it's above that line, I know I'm good. If it's below, I know I'm bad. A falling knife. Bro, this is what happens when you use AI to trade. Hey, shut up, man. All right, let me show you what happens when you use AI to trade. I will show you. I'm not going to rage quit, but this is fucking bullshit. I do need to, I need to stand up or something. Retrain the AI model. Thank you for the advice, bro. Yeah, I'll just retrain the AI model. Thank you. Do you have any advice on neural networks while you're at it? Do you have any advice on neural networks while you're at it? Altman, Sam Altman. We've got fucking one of the most talented developers of all time, of history, telling me I need to retrain the model. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I will. I'm interviewing. I just purchased on the suite, bro. Give it go. I know, bro. I know. It got so close to 165. It got so close to 165. It passed 165. My money zone was 166. It's just a sweep. We're good. I can retrain it to detect rug pull. Thank you, bro. I'll look into that. I'm pretty deliberate about how we do things, but we'll do a stream. I need to fucking figure this trade out though, bro. I'm kind of tired of losing. Just today, bro. We cashed out yesterday. We cashed out the day before. And now it's like, bro, what the fuck are we doing, man? What's a sweep? It's like a fucking. It's when a line goes down fast and then another line goes up really fast. Like when it goes down and goes up in like the same candle. And my speaker died, so I'm just sitting in this fucking room in silence. Holy shit. Like, you know what I mean? You can like, yeah. Help bro get a ban, chat. How much do I usually make per week? It ranges, bro. Some weeks I make $1,500, and some weeks we absolutely crush, and I've walked away with 50, 60 grand weeks. I'm also watching a bunch of people doing this because I want to try it. Well, I'm training my own AI bot right now. Put YouTube on with your computer. Have I eaten today? No, I haven't. I've drank water and had nicotine. Yeah, price action has been useless in the last 2 months. I mean, we're making money. Iran just nuked Tel Aviv. Turn on the news. No, it didn't. Under ballistic missile fire. Sleeps in Tel Aviv. Go make grilled cheese. JK, dude, you gotta chill. Never break even before target price. It's decent advice. No politics. No politics. No politics. But if somebody just nuked somebody, it's definitely something we're going to cover on the stream. The entire market would crash. The entire market would crash if somebody got nuked. So fast. It would be like real crash because it would be people that are like, oh my God, I have to sell everything right now. Moving stop loss to break even has done evil things to me. First time viewer, but I hope you make good money off this. Thank you, bro. Is nicotine the meta? Kind of. Kind of. There is a meta drug, but I can't talk about it on the stream. If this is all satire, you're genius. What do you mean, Larry? Explain, my boy. Is investing to take 2 stock worth it? Green Ghost, brother, you should always be buying. Just buy stocks. It's like you can never go wrong just buying stocks. Now, if a nuke goes off in Iran, I don't think it would crash. Yeah, guys, if a nuke went off anywhere, the whole world would go into, like, defense mode. You understand that? And defense mode, fear, right? You're defending your finances because you're scared, right? What happens when the fear on the fear greed index goes all the way to fear? What happens? Brother, when people get scared, they sell everything. And they're like zebra. They're like zebra. They start buying gold bars. Green Ghost by GameStop. Don't give anyone the advice to buy GameStop. I mean, come on, bro. Let's be real. Yeah, but EB Games bought GameStop back crash. The world would tank. The entire world would tank. Guys, if a nuke went off anywhere right now, nuke equals everything. Guys, it would be so beyond the market. It would be people panic selling and like buying hard resources. Literally, where crypto has been all fear. Yeah. What up, decent glass? I know. I need a stand-in mod when Zebra's gone. Johnny, you down, bro? Been buying gold and silver before it skyrocketed. Yeah, good shit. Good shit. Nuke equals no stock. Yeah, guys, nuke equals panic and crash. I promise you. The day a nuke goes off and the stock market rips, you officially can say that we're playing Call of Duty. Right? Trading would be halted. Yeah, absolutely it would be halted. No, it would be halted because they would know that so many people are going to mass sell. It would be like a 2008 level fucking sell-off. And it wouldn't even be from bad shit. It would be just because people are literally selling their fears. Right? Even big institutions would react to that. Yeah, I got you, bro. Hey, that sounds fun. No, bro, trust, it's not fun. I need to pee so bad, dude. So bad. Nuketown 2027 stock exchange. Yeah, literally type shit. It would literally be what it is. So I need to pee really quick. I'll be right back. Okay. What's good, Ben? Sorry about that. Don't pee. Go pee. Don't get a kidney stone. Yo, if you don't pee, is that what creates kidney stones? What stop loss? We didn't place one yet. I thought this one would make me a trillionaire and I wouldn't have to place a stop loss. Yo, Magic, what's good, my guy? I'm out of NVIDIA. I got stopped out. Even though the trade is above stop loss now, it's still below my entry pretty significantly. Thank you. Yeah, that's a great idea. You should have a bowl of fruit by your setup, so if you need a bite, you can pick and choose what to eat. It's healthy and hydrating and doesn't need refrigeration or require any real effort. Yeah, hey guys, yeah, you can, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I took this Oracle trade. Brother. How did you end up doing on SPY yesterday? Also, diet. They say that there's like drugs that cause kidney stones. Fuck that nicotine and Doritos. Yo, thank you, Green Ghost. I do that for my music studio. Dope. Okay. Fuck yeah. I will do that. Nicotine and Doritos or fruit, guys? Nicotine and Doritos and in the details that I'm satanic. Excess calcium causes kidney stones. Yeah, it does. $300 profit on SPY yesterday. Sprinkle on some Red Bulls. Quality hydration. I don't even have any water on my desk right now. I've already drank all my water and all my energy. I'm like sustenance-less. I have like mints. These calm and clarity mints. Dude, these things do geek you out though, bro. Like I can promise you that. Like these things geek you out. Like this. This is the it says calm and clarity. They should just put fucking Percocets Incorporated on this fucking tin. What was your take profit on Nvidia? Our take profit that we didn't even come close to hitting was 186 or 187.50. We entered at 186.60. Yo, boys. What up, King Kong? Yeah, calm and geeked. Calm and fucking, like, non-lucid. All right, let me see if the speaker's going to work now. Food, nicotine, and patience. Is this actually what Sun Tzu said? Was Tzu a Nick addict? Wow, he was a Nick addict, bro. Damn. How did Sun Tzu shout out nicotine? Where the bitches at, dude? Brother, they come when we start making money, man. That's when the fucking bitches come around. Get waxed like a real man? I know, bro. I know. I wanted to do a tight trade. I wouldn't. That stop loss was fucking stupid, bro. I lost $2,000 just like being a retard. Oracle better jump ready. I bought it at 9.65%. All right, well, I'm still in Oracle. I'll probably wrap up here. I've got a 1:30 lunch, so in an hour, and I still have to do some work prior to that. So we'll probably wrap up here, and my speaker's dead. It's not like I'm not enjoying just sitting here in silence. But I will catch you guys tomorrow at 11 a.m. We're back. We'll be live trading. Any advice you're getting started, I would just buy stocks, bro. Buy stocks. That's what you should do. Don't trade options. Don't day trade. I would just start by long-term positions and have a 10-year goal. Probably no afternoon stream today. Probably not. The afternoon stream is really tough because I don't know how long to run them, and it's just like in the middle of the part of the day where I'm doing the most shit. But yeah, boys. I'll catch